Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Discord. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps. After that you'll enter to the window of Discord and you'll enter here. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.